You can view the objects in an Access database quickly, but you can't distribute that data or its summaries all that easily. If you do want to share summaries of your data, you can do so by printing a form or report on paper or as a PDF file. If you want to enable your users to do that through VBA code, you can use the doCommand.printout method. For this movie, we'll use the products report, which is down here in the navigation pane. I'll right-click its title and then click Design View. And in the report, I already have a button in the header called Print Report. So I will right-click it and click Build Event. Then in the Choose Builder dialog box, I'll click Code Builder because we want to use VBA code, and then click OK. So now I have the command buttons Click Event Code. I'll press Enter twice and the up arrow once to give myself some room to work, and I'll type in the code for printing out, which is doCommand DO, capital CMD, period, then print out, all one word, PRINTOUT, and then a space. When you press the space bar, Access gives you a super tooltip that describes the arguments you can set for this method. So for example, you can print all, or you can print some. If I type AC, then you see that you can print either pages, the entire report, or just a selection. I'll go ahead and use the down arrow key to highlight Print All, and press Tab, then a comma. Next you have Page From. So for example, if you wanted to print pages, then you could have page 1 to 2, 2 to 4, whatever. And in this case, I'm not going to use that argument, so I will just type a comma, and the next argument is page 2, so this would be the final page you would print. So if you wanted to print pages 1 to 4, page from would be 1, page 2 would be 4. I'll type a comma because I'm not going to set a value for that one. And now we have print quality, and select draft, high, low, or medium. I prefer high quality, so I'll press the down arrow twice, highlight AC high, then press the tab key to select it, then a comma. Then we have the number of copies. I just want 1 copy. That is the default. Then a comma, and we have collate copies. And this can be either true or false. So I'll type in true and press enter. Now, if I go back to the report by pressing Alt F11 to switch from the Visual Basic Editor back to the main Access database and change from Design View to Report View. To do that, I'll click the View button on the Design tab. Now, when I click the Print Report button, Access prints out a copy of the report. Printing an Access database object lets you distribute its contents to your colleagues without sharing the underlying data. Remember, though, that anything you print can be shared beyond your original target audience.